Hello and welcome to the class, my dear students. Today in our English class, our topic is complete the pattern A to Z. So let's start. Topic complete the pattern. You can see some caterpillars are there. First one is A. So we have to complete it. In next, what we will write, what will come after A, that is B. We will complete it. Then C, then D. Next is E. We have to see the first letter, then we have to complete the pattern. Then what will come after E? F. Then G. Then H. Next is I. Then J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Next. So, in our reading section, today we will read some word of letter G, H, I and J. So let's start. This is letter G. And its sound is G, G. G says G. Grapes, grapes. Grapes are green and purple in color. G, G. G says G, G. Gun, gun, gun. This is a trigun. This is a trigun. Next is letter H, H. Its sound is H. It says her. It says her. Hat, 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 hat. This is hat. H, H. It says her, her. Home. I love my home. H, H. It says her, her, her. Helicopter, helicopter. Next is letter I, I. And its sound is E. E. I says E. E. Internet. Internet. We use internet to see videos. I says E. E. Inkpot. Inkpot. Next is letter J. 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 And its sound is J. J. J says J. J says J. Jug. Jug. We put water in jug. We put water in jug. J, J. J says J, J. Joker, joker, joker. Joker makes us laugh in circus. Thank you. Now we will do matchups. As you can see, some pictures are here. Apple and mango. You have to match each picture with same, like apple. So we will match apple with apple. Join. Like next is mango. So we will match mango with mango. Like this we have to match spelling of apple with spelling of apple and spelling of mango with spelling of mango. First we will read the spelling. A-P-P-L-E apple. A-P-P-L-E apple. We will check. This is apple spelling? No. This is A-P-P-L-E apple. First letter are same. A-P-P-L-E apple. Next one is M-A-N-G-O mango. M-A-N-G-O mango. Do like this. Thank you.